We do not know ourselves, even if we uncover the heavy curtains, facing the severe black rob priest,
and take off our masks.
frustrated. Sometimes in the dimness of the early morning, a show appears. Also because of the season, we do not wish to stand in this world of fear, to see the sunrise.
And night after night we cry, using our tearless tears, to mourn the disappearance of a picture. Then we redry our emotions and hang them to sun on the transient rainbow.
Although the sun has burned us, our youth is still assembled in a lone place, bothered with strange wrinkles, waiting for memory to reach out both hands, to wipe away the dust from the moon. Many are the times when we cross our crossroads. The voice truly says that many heroes will die, at times also dividing and decreasing. Among the those and their shoulder advertisements that stands between each other footsteps, we start to embrace the heavens and feel the far conquering clouds and the silent light winds. To feel the falling spring under the hanging cliffs,
A sea burning breeze.
but after your two hands are folded,
Only we are dead.
our life is not a vacuum.
Out of the cracks of our teeth are ground.
The drag of the log of one and the other,
Or even woolen.
roll to the back of our eyes, and there occurs chemical reaction.
There it goes, up in the sky. There it goes, we own the clouds. No reason why I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough. It's a hear me now.
Cut out by time.